Prepare yourself for an adrenaline-fueled adventure as we dive into the thrilling world of monster trucks and powerful cranes. These mechanical giants combine unstoppable force with masterful precision to tackle the impossible. Buckle up, it's time for the ultimate showdown. A terrifying moment unfolded as a towering crane collapsed, crashing down in a catastrophic failure. The sheer scale of the accident left everyone stunned. Oh my god, a crane was lifting an enormous concrete slab when the load proved too heavy, causing the crane to tip over and crash in a shocking disaster. A heart-stopping scene occurred as a landslide sent rocks and debris tumbling down onto a roadway, threatening anyone nearby. You wouldn't believe your eyes. A working excavator suddenly burst into flames, creating a dangerous and chaotic spectacle. Crane was hoisting an excavator when the cable unexpectedly slipped. The excavator plummeted to the ground, leaving a trail of destruction and disbelief. A chilling moment saw a crane tipping over while lifting a car. The car fell from the height, causing severe damage and highlighting the dangers of overloading equipment. A horrifying accident occurred as a mobile crane toppled over, leaving a massive wreck in its wake. The scene was chaotic and dangerous. Two mobile cranes were working together to recover a bulldozer that had plunged into a river. Suddenly, a cable snapped, sending the heavy machinery into the water and creating a perilous situation. Oh, a towering smokestack came crashing down onto a building below, creating a dramatic and dangerous collapse that left onlookers in shock. A mobile crane lifting an accident-damaged vehicle suddenly tipped over, causing the vehicle to crash down with devastating consequences. The cable of a mobile crane snapped during a lift, causing the load to fall and everything to collapse. This critical failure highlighted the risks of high-tension operations. Yet another incident of a snapped cable occurred, sending an excavator crashing to the ground. The impact was both dramatic and dangerous. Have you ever witnessed a wind turbine collapsing? The sight was nothing short of terrifying as the massive structure crumbled. The power of nature was on full display as strong winds overwhelmed a massive crane, causing it to fall and reminding everyone of the forces beyond our control. A crane's cable snapped while lifting a concrete column, sending the column crashing down in a perilous and alarming accident. In another dangerous incident, a mobile crane being lifted suddenly fell due to a cable failure, creating a chaotic and hazardous scene. The cable of a mobile crane broke while hoisting a heavy concrete slab, leading to a sudden and dangerous collapse. A heavy steel frame caused a crane to buckle and collapse, creating a dramatic and unsafe situation. A precarious moment occurred when a gas pipeline segment, too heavy for the crane, snapped its cables. The scene quickly turned hazardous. A crane lifting an overturned truck faced disaster when the truck, upon being righted, rolled forward, pulling the crane down in a disastrous chain reaction. The weight of a massive sign proved too much for two mobile cranes, causing both to collapse in a shocking and dangerous accident. An excavator tried to support a trailer full of rocks sliding dangerously on a steep slope. The situation became more precarious with each passing moment.
Curl the bucket. There you go.
Jesus Christ! Holy shit!
While descending from a truck, an excavator tipped over due to a mishap, creating a tense and dangerous scene. Two cranes working to lift an overturned excavator faced catastrophe when one of them tipped over, leading to a chain reaction of destruction.
Нет, прикольные процессы вот эти. Он сколько весит, Игорек? Я все вот добиваюсь. Тонн больше 10.
Carelessness by two drivers reversing their vehicles caused a collision, leaving both trucks damaged and creating an unnecessary accident. Oh wow, the immense weight lifted the front of a bulldozer off the ground, showing the limits of the machine. A truck tried to drive on a damaged front wheel with only the rim left, creating a risky and unstable situation.
Itu semua salah leba. Saya sebagai toke 10 alat leba ini macam ya saya pun tidak tahu apa cakap.
Oh, shit, I'm sorry, man. I got covered in it. I got covered in it, but he's worth it.
Overconfidence led to a wooden plank breaking under the weight of a truck, causing the vehicle's wheel to sink dangerously. Taking a corner too quickly, a concrete mixer truck tipped over, causing a severe accident that disrupted traffic and safety. A horrifying moment occurred when two cargo containers on a truck toppled over and crashed to the ground. A heavy truck attempted to cross a makeshift wooden bridge. The heart-stopping moment came when part of the bridge gave way, but thankfully a full collapse was avoided. On a deeply muddy road, a powerful truck battled through, overcoming the challenging terrain with impressive resilience. At a junction, a truck lost control and crashed directly into a large post, causing significant damage. Oh my god, powerful winds toppled a heavy-duty truck, demonstrating the dangers of extreme weather conditions. Speeding around a corner too fast, a truck flipped over, causing a major accident with serious consequences. A truck's cargo bed hit a power line due to careless driving, creating a highly dangerous situation. The weight of the cargo was too much for the truck to handle, causing it to tip over while climbing a hill. A bulldozer climbing onto a trailer tipped over dangerously, making for a tense and alarming scene. Driving at high speed caused the truck to overturn in a violent crash, endangering everyone nearby. A truck slipped on a narrow mountain pass, colliding with a rock face in a nerve-wracking and dangerous accident. A horrifying collapse occurred as two cranes lifting a damaged boat toppled, creating a scene of total devastation. A truck driver carefully maneuvered their vehicle up a ramp onto another truck, showcasing patience and skill. On a slippery dirt road, a truck struggled to climb a slope, its wheels spinning helplessly against the muddy surface. A stuck truck was pushed free by a bulldozer, demonstrating teamwork in tackling challenging terrain. On a highway, a loose tire flew into nearby vehicles, creating a chaotic and dangerous situation for all.
I'm so scared.
A boat spiraled out of control at high speed, crashing into a rock face with devastating force.
Oh my god. What the? Holy shit.
Driving at high speed on a highway at night led to a truck overturning in a terrifying accident.
Oh my god. That truck right in front of me.
Tombou na minha frente aqui, ó. Segurei o trânsito pra ele passar. Mas infelizmente não deu conta de curvar não. Caminhão de patinga aí, ó. Infelizmente o companheiro foi embora, tadinho.
A mobile crane lifting a heavy tower toppled over, creating a dangerous and catastrophic scene. On a steep dirt slope, an excavator pulled a truck, showcasing its raw strength and determination. A stuck truck was pushed uphill by a bulldozer, showing the power of heavy machinery in tough situations. The immense weight of a concrete column caused a crane to lift off the ground dangerously, nearly tipping over. A driver miscalculated and caused their overly long truck to knock over a streetlight pole. On a highway, a truck suddenly lost control and collided with surrounding vehicles, creating chaos. Have you ever seen a bus race? It's an exhilarating and unexpected spectacle, full of excitement.
Then I just got an accident and I gotta keep going. So I'm gonna call y'all fuck back. I got to go. Or whatever, because I'm not stopping. A
tractor and a truck engaged in a pulling competition, but the truck's superior power was evident. A tractor towing a car ended up in trouble when the load proved too challenging to handle. A bulldozer pushed a massive rock off a cliff, sending it crashing into the abyss in a breathtaking display of power. An excavator perched on a truck tipped over while climbing a hill, creating a perilous and costly situation.